Hello, beautiful people. It is Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks so much for joining me again today. This is day 12 of Tour de Fleece, and it correlates with stage 12 of Tour de France. And I had on the agenda today to get the purple Cormo Rolags spun, which I did, and that's what you're watching now. I am spinning all the Cormo on Lady Elizabeth and plying on my Babe Pinky. And the plying is all happening on the same bobbins, so you guys will see all those yarns once I separate them as I skein them up. And I had on the agenda to spin bobbin number 3 of my sock spin, and that was going to be a crepe yarn, which means 2 singles are spun clockwise, 1 is spun counterclockwise. I ply the 2 first bobbins counterclockwise, and then I ply again clockwise with the other. Anyway, look up crepe spin, and I will of course show that to you when I get it done. But isn't this purple just lovely? I'm in love with this color. Oh my gosh, I love purple. So I didn't quite finish the bobbin 3 of the sock spin, which is my opposing ply for the crepe ply. Anyway, but I got most of it done, which really surprised me because it's a really slow spin for me. I am a very fast spinner, so what is slow for me is usually really fast for other people. But anyway, in the middle of all of this, I made a bunch of spaghetti sauce and canned it, and the kids had fun playing in the mud and getting mud all over themselves, which I didn't bother to share that with y'all, but I did put a little bit, or I am putting a little bit of the canning footage in here so you guys get a hint of that. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your tour, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys!